today we're going to be unboxing these packages. Thank you for the sponsors. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie. And subscribe, the notification bell, and let's get into the video. So first of all, we're going to start off with this phone. Mommy, can you please get me something that can open this? This one is big. It's really big. So small ones first. Let's open it. Patrick!
Airpods. That's so cute.
Patrick. This one is next up because it's oh.
What is that? Oh, okay.
What is this?
Let me see.
For your nails to get shiny?
Oh, that's awesome.
Wait, there's something on the back.
That's beauty. Let me see. Okay. Oh, we can use this one. This is for
Nail shiny.
electric manicure, pedicure pin.
Oh!
This is electric manicure pedicure pin. Press switch and pin size. This is like you will polish your nail.
Mom, that's what I meant.
So polishing. So there is a different sizes over here. So cool. We can use this one for we can polish our nail.
So let's go
The next
to
one.
this one.
That's awesome.
There's two stuff. Oh, just kidding.
What is that? Oh, this is
Case. A thank you case.
oh, this is
A
a case. iPhone 11 case
Mom, it's here.
and Samsung 10e case.
I guess this one is a book. Some kind of book.
It's a book.
No.
Let me see. What is that?
Oh, it's for your screen.
Fallen premium quality.
Mama, it's screen protector.
Oh, this is a screen protector. Okay, good. We got some screen protector.
And this is in the same package. That one. More cases.
Let me see.
Black ones.
Oh, this is Samsung 10e case. See,
Oh.
it's screen protector. Let me see. Another screen protector. Awesome. All of that we need
Go
that.
to this one.
Okay, let's see what is that.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, it's for your car.
Oh, come on. That's what I'm waiting for. Awesome. So, this is from a sponsor as well. And when they offered this to me, I was so excited. This is wireless AP modulator. I can't wait to try this on my car.
And also, you don't have to carry your phone while you're trying to test it because so
That is charger as well. You can charge your phone. Yeah! Okay, there's some more.
no, that one's
See what else we got.
this is the biggest one I've been waiting for. Ready? Set. Oh, big. Ready? Set. Wait, I think I got it. Wow! Good for you. Like a brush.
Oh, the face. That's beauty. Essential. It's kind of broken in the box. Let's see.
Okay, so guys, we are going to open these and we're going to open all of these and this. So we're gonna like explain how good it is. And first of all, I'm really excited to open all of these, especially this and that. I know all of them. I'm really excited to open all of them. Thank you for the sponsors. So we're gonna open this and see what we can explain. It's okay. Just the packaging. one?
And there is cleaning materials. Oh, it came with the screen protector.
Oops. Also, you can hold your cards in there too. Pretty good. I think this one will have the same too. Also, I love the phone. Also, keychain. Yeah.
A holder.
Where do you attach this to? Oh,
Right
here.
there.
Let me go attach it. You know what? We're gonna attach it later.
The card holder and also ID holder. That's neat. All right, let's go move on.
Let's put them back.
Yeah, put in the box too, so we don't miss it.
Also, there's instructions. Getting new stuff means more stuff. My favorite one is with the oven. Oh my gosh, it's popping out.
That is,
Oh, it's really hard.
the material's really good.
You can put your earphones right here, like bloop, bloop, and look, it's Also, let me get his body little pal out. This is his pal with no mouth. Actually, he does have a mouth. And wrinkles. Also, this. I'm really like.
It's nice material.
Yeah, it's nice, but it's weird because, you see?
It will not stay.
Yeah, sorry. But I kind of like it though. Also, nice shape. I like that shape. That. Thank you for helping me. These are the finished items. Are you ready? Okay. Yes! I think this one will have the same one, cleaner too. So let's open the blue one. This one is mine. I hope I see the pattern. Oh my gosh, it looks even better than on the camera. Is this from China? Phone, but it doesn't. Looks like it comes with a real phone, but it doesn't.
It's the same thing. It's different color. Yeah, you can put the phone over there. There's a phone case. Has card holder and ID holder.
Oh, this one is more protected because, you know.
And money case.
Pretty
It's a
nice.
wallet.
Oh, I can keep my money in here when I get older. I'm gonna keep this forever. Pretty nice. Trash over there.
Okay, there's some more.
But this one doesn't come with this, so they're gonna share.
Okay, that's fine.
Share. So the next one that I'm really excited to open is all of them. But the one that I'm most excited, all of them, I can't say. Oh. This one the most. Whoa. I want to see the different types. You interview this while I'm opening this. So.
Oh, wow. Nice.
There's glitter!
There's different sizes and kind of style.
Also, look, it can stretch out for you and you can bloop, bloop, bloop.
And there is the pin.
Wow.
There's an instruction inside.
Wow. It's like this button.
I think you need a battery.
No, there's no battery.
Of course there is. If not, charger is a battery. Open it. And there's a battery. There.
So you need to have one battery.
Double A, I'm guessing.
Double A.
Okay, so we just need to buy a battery.
Wait, can we take the battery from that thing?
I'm not going to take anything battery there. We can just buy a new battery for that. Okay. We can try that next time. Let's go move on.
I remember we had a 5-pack and we just used 2 of them.
I know.
But
But
we lost. Now we're gonna open, and then we're gonna open this flashlight.
well, just only look at it, mommy. Oh, there's a case for iPhone 11.
See, look. Oh, it popped out. It's like, wee, I want to jump out. Pop. It's pretty cool because you can turn it. It's cool. So let's open it now. Wait.
Let me see.
Also, there's a thank you note.
The good thing about this is there is every age there is a protection, like a bumping protection.
Mom, look, it's like a shop door. Look, Mom, look, it's like a shop door.
What else do we have?
That's the flower. Also, there's a thank you note.
Okay. Let's go open this one.
So we're gonna open this one that
It's okay. The box is broken. This is a sponsor too, guys, but the box is open, so I'm not sure if it's working. Maybe just only on the way.
you have to wash.
Packaging.
You have to wash it though.
Let me see. Let me do it.
Oh, I think it's on the bottom. You just pull the bottom.
There, it's coming off. I hope it's not broken inside. Just a box. I hope just a box. Let me see. Right here, should I? Let me see. Oh, right here there is.
So, we have instructions. Are you ready to review? Ready, set, go. Ready, set.
Yes! One sec.
I wanna see. I think I got it. Yeah.
Let me help you.
The case is really good. Like, look at that. Look at that. If you lose those things, can I have this case? Well, if Leonora loses them. But I don't think she will. She's.
Case is beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see.
It's so soft! Mama, feel it! It's soft! Mama!
Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh my-
Amazing stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Then
I'm in heaven right now.
this one is a massage brush. This is rough.
This is really soft. I wish I could sleep on it. This was a sleep on it. Oh, that one's to start it. We don't want to start it. But what if I do? What will happen?
You need a battery for that.
It's like so soft and I'm like, can you take this out?
What?
This.
This one.
Because there's no point of.
Maybe it's oh. It is, that's good. They're soft.
It's in heaven right now. Tell me that.
Tickling your feet very gently.
Tell me an iPhone. I wonder what material they use. I thought it would be rough, like.
I think this is my favorite on this sponsor, and also
Me
the
too.
nail polish thing.
Mama, it's kind. At first, I thought it would be like the. I thought it would be like the sweep on the bottom. 100 per billion times better. Hey, you stole that spot.
Okay, let's go.
Why
Close
is
that.
there two of them?
Let's go close that, and
Why
we
is
can
there
move on.
two of them, Mom?
It is in case need a replacement.
Or maybe you can wash one. This is order, you can be like, you put this one can be wet, and this one can be dry. This massager.
There's instruction. Don't lose instruction.
Because Leonore might need it.
Awesome.
Wait,
This is awesome. This sponsor is gonna be good for the gift. Awesome gift. Let's go put this back.
Thank you like so much for these. These are my both favorite ones. I love all of them equally, but these are 5,000 better. Because
Beauty stuff.
yes,
It's beauty stuff.
Mama, we should buy every single one of this. When we go to Walmart, I'm gonna buy it. First, I'm going to the makeup aisle. I'm gonna open this one more time. And, guys, look at this case. Look at it. Look at that. It's beautiful. I can't thank you enough. Like, look. Can't thank you enough. What is it? Can I touch it?
You can feel it.
Feels like nail polish.
Awesome. I love this sponsor. I love their product. The first one, you know, she gave us the floss, electric floss for travel.
Mama.
It's the same thing the company gave to us.
This is kind of like wet. So there must be like still nail polish. And look, you can lay it down like that and you're like, wait, can you take this one?
Yeah, of course. Take it off and then put it on that pen.
Maybe you have to.
Then put it on the pen. But we don't have a battery, but that's okay. Just try it.
Where's the pen? Why are you get out after I got
Press it, but there's no battery, that's why.
Just pretend. Look at my nails.
Okay, put it back. We have one more package to open. Yeah, the card things.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I need you to put it back, then we can move on. Awesome! Thank you so much for the sponsor. I will put the link, their store, guys. They have a store on Amazon. So all this.
You're gonna love this, whoever. If you guys buy this, your nails are gonna be the best nails in the whole world. But, Mama, are you sure you don't have to put real nail polish on there, or is there already nail polish?
There's no nail polish. That is only polish. Polish your nail, like is
Shiny.
the sharp, unsharpened.
Make it shiny?
No, yeah, could be. Then before you polishing, this is polishing your nail to take that sharp edge, and then you can.
But it's so glittery.
Before you paint your nail.
It's glittery.
Well, it's just the tools. Those are tools.
We have one more thing to open. This.
And
I
this,
can also play music.
yes, that one is my another favorite too for this Batsabe sponsor packaging. You guys is amazing. I do appreciate that, guys.
What in the world? It looks bigger than on here. See, look. It looks
It's so tiny.
And then now, put on there.
It looks too tiny. I mean, it's too small, but on the picture it's so big. But let's see. I will test that.
No, in the pictures it looks pretty small, but in real life it's like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought this is smaller in the real life.
No,
Okay, let's
bigger.
see. Let's see. I can't wait to test this in the car. I will test this.
Also, there's a charger. I think you have to push it.
There you go. Okay.
What?
Oh, this is like
Bendable.
yeah, bendable.
Also, you have to connect it to the thingy.
To the cigarette charger.
And then it will charge forever.
And there is you can press the phone, answer the phone over here, like a Bluetooth.
Boop. Wait, let me. How do you decline it?
There is instruction. Should be instruction.
Also, it has charger. Where'd the charger go? Where's the charger?
It's writing.
Does it come with a charger? Oh. So,
Okay. So there is you can charge your phone over here. Well, is put it on the smoke charger, and then you can charge your USB over here.
but where do you like?
That one is connect. This is just a cable to connect something on. You connect your phone.
Wait, line in and line out.
You connect your phone and then.
Oh no!
Oh, there is instruction over here.
Mom, so you connect these both right here. One there.
I don't think so. I guess this is connection for the phone. Your phone. So there is instruction here. I don't know. Yeah, I can figure this out
A
later.
long beard and a wiggly tail. Not like a long beard and a wiggly tail.
Now, let's put that back for now.
Because it has a very tiny screen.
Tiny screen.
You said screen.
Screen.
Also, you can connect your music here. And we should put this in the car right now.
Later. I don't want to go outside right now. We're just opening, unboxing. Then later we can show that how that works.
We didn't open these yet.
Oh, that one just a screen.
No,
Screen protector. Right?
let's just take off the tape first, and then
Careful, huh? Hey. Is that way for your face? It's close. Do it harder.
too close to me. There, that one's cut open. This one is more harder. So I'll just cut the edge first. There's also like an open tab right there. You see? Mom, look, there's an open tab. So I cut the edge. Like that. Ta-da! Wait. There's like an open thing, like, wee. I wonder how you open this. This one's more like, oh look, like a packet.
Is that is this a case? Oh, for a lining when you put the. Oh, that's good. There's a lining.
These are the ones.
A line.
It's more harder than I expected.
Okay, what is this case? What is this? What kind of phone? Let's see.
For any phone.
I don't think so. This
Oh,
is.
there's a card. Card.
I'm wondering what screen protector. Let me see.
Oh, it can be.
Samsung. Let me see. Oh, this is for iPhone 11. Yeah, this is iPhone 11. Okay. So installation tools. Put that together.
What is insulation?
Okay. Put it all of them back. You don't want to lose any.
This is glass.
Yeah, it's glass. Glass screen protector. Okay, that was it.
Wait, we need to put these in.
There.
Wait, why won't it close?
It's because this one it should be inside, but that's the last one. Open that. Like this
There's
one.
an open little thing. Oh. There's like an open tab, but it has a lining too.
What kind of a screen protector? Register. Register your lifetime warranty within 14 days. Oh, there
That's
is
the same thing too on that one.
wow, there is lifetime warranty. That's awesome.
Let's see, are they glass too?
I'm not sure. Maybe. Let's look at it.
It's just one this time.
Is it glass?
There's some more. Actually, there's some more.
Three. So we got an awesome product from our sponsor. This is 3 of this, my most favorite, but I like all of them. But it's just I got some favorite stuff here. Thank you so much for all of this. This awesome stuff.
Can we put this on the phone ring? Bye guys, hope you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like it. Bye. I'm in package heaven.
Jingle bells.